Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and knock these out so I can get off my feet for the evening. Yeah. And then I can start the dishwasher and all that. Okay. Winifred, I'll call you back. Pecan Pie Muffins. Okay, the recipe calls for 1 cup of brown sugar. And you put the brown sugar, this is a 1/2 cup measurement, in with your flour, and you use 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay. Oh, I better save that. Oh well, I got it. Okay, we're gonna put that together and the pecans, and I'm gonna use 1 cup of pecans. Can y'all see that? Trish Yearwood did it the other day, and I thought it looked really good. I'm gonna add some vanilla to mine. She didn't put vanilla in hers. Y'all know I'm a vanilla girl. 1 cup pecans. I'm gonna set that aside, okay? Now, in this bowl, I'm gonna mix 2 eggs. Give these a little zhuzh. Now, I'm gonna add in, let's see, eggs until they're foamy, okay? I should have used the electric mixer. I didn't want to have to walk over and drag it out. Okay, we ain't doing all that. Anyway, that's what the recipe says. Now, I'm gonna add in slowly 1 1/3 cup of melted butter. And I actually used the butter that Mac and I made. You have to add in the melted butter slowly if it's, completely melted, which mine wasn't, because it'll turn your eggs into scrambled eggs. You got to kind of temper that a little bit if the butter is melted and warm, okay? Why does your nose itch at the most inopportune times? I don't know. All right, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla to this. Actually, I'm going to grab my vanilla bean paste. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Do I have any? Hold on, I'm coming back. I hadn't left y'all. Okay. I'm going to use vanilla bean paste. Somebody asked me today what the difference was. Vanilla bean paste is just a little more concentrated than vanilla extract. It has, here goes my nose again. It has a richer flavor, in my opinion. So when I'm baking, I like to use it. Now I'm going to give this a good mix. Probably ideally you should use the electric mixer. I'm tired, okay? Just bottom line. Now I'm going to fold in the dry ingredients. Stay with me here because I want to show y'all something. I said earlier that the imaginary farmer likes pecan pies. So I'm going to mix together just a tiny little drizzle to go over the top of these muffins when they come out of the oven. It's going to have confectionery sugar and a dub of maple syrup. And maybe a little bit of warm water. Hang on, I'll show you what I'm going to do. Now remember, muffin batter is supposed to kind of be gooey. Not gooey, bumpy, lumpy. That's what I'm trying to think of. Okay. Okay, now, let me grab that. Hold on. This brilliant idea just hit me. Put a little drizzle over the top. So I'm going to do literally like 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Hold on. I'm going to use about I don't know, just a little bit of hot water. Let me show you. My water takes a little while, sorry. And I'm gonna set this to the side, but I'm gonna have it ready to drizzle on the muffins when they come out. Oh my gosh, come on. Really? Seriously? Okay, literally just enough to thin this out a little bit. And then I'm gonna add confectionery sugar to that, y'all. Let me bring you back around here. Let me move that. I'm just gonna put enough confectionery sugar to make it kind of like runny glue. And I'm gonna use that to drizzle over these muffins. Just think that'll give them that kind of, you know, appearance of more like a pecan pie. That needs a little bit more, but this big one's getting on my nerves. I'm just gonna dirty up everything. Thought I heard the imaginary farmer coming in. Oh yeah, that's looking better. Okay, y'all, let me show you what this looks like. I'll tell you what else would be good in this. Well, I'm not gonna use it tonight, but orange extract will be good in there. Okay, look, it's literally like, okay, I'm gonna set that to the side. All right, now I'm gonna put these in a muffin tin. I'm gonna put my little liners in and spray them, and then I'm gonna bake them on 350 for 20 minutes. I'll show you a picture of the finished product, and that will be it for me for tonight. So, pecan pie muffins, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real.